Why is this music actually like pretty good, low-key? I used to not fuck with it, but I actually don't mind it now. Wait, I left infected and now I get fucking Astrax on my team, bro? It's like a dream come true. It's my best friend. Oh, we gotta go Ilias. They all want Atlas, bro. Alright, we lost the game.
Wait, I might be trying Bash in this game.
Select your hero.
You can do what you want.
Dude, have you played Bash? It actually feels so good.
Nah, the buff looks good though. His left hook was already good, I thought.
What did they change?
The fire rate on the M1 is so much faster now.
Select heroes to ban.
She looks so cool though. They got a buffer. Yeah, they should. They should.
We banning Sigma or what? Or you want to play Sig?
Is that?
Wait, what?
Yeah, we can do that. But I'm thinking maybe Sig is the best with Bastion.
What's your break coming up? You can actually play comp and just quick play all day? Yeah, that's fair.
Maybe.
Battle rank, so cry
I'll
big
do it.
buffer, bro. I feel like she has so much HP. Like, she might actually not be too bad.
Yeah,
and so much mobility, bro. I see, like, them go in the sky, and it's like, you have to give up space. She has a lot of HP, bro. I feel like it's so hard to kill her, especially on Wuyong. I think she's pretty good into Wuyong, okay. Oh, wow. Champ 3 to Champ 3.
Holy champ, what?
I guess so.
Just whatever.
We do not have a Vendetta player. Please do not go Vendetta. We will not be participating in Lenny's... What is it? Debauchery? Tomfoolery? Figure out how to say it live on her.
Oh, you know.
What is this? Rank team? It is pretty
Say
good, bro. I'm not
that,
gonna lie. Ranked mocked by my other sport? Yeah, UV is so
Doing
high
much
ranked, bro.
better. Now that you
I'm not
aren't
gonna lie, I
feeding
just
her
need a solo
scraps
queue
all
and
the
I'll win.
time.
I do not want to duo. The only people I want to do it is like Loki just Tree. Me and Tree duo, we just win every game. Adam support duo, because support duo's trash. Me and RuPaul used to do it over one though, I think. Wait, I don't think we and RuPaul duoed in like literally 4 years, bro. Like 3.
Let's get this done.
Alright, now let's lock this shit down. Do Vendetta.
Damn.
Vendetta in.
Really
Hog rock, hog rock. Bro, how do we call their DPS? Like, what are we supposed to do? They're doing it again. We're doing a thing again.
Data.
Kick this off.
That here, that here.
Chur and Ben.
The hook, you wanna walk?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, just left. Hog rocks. Hog one. I'm meeting on you, I'm meeting on you. Tur in! To the Turo. Turo bottom up. You see rocks. You see one bottom up. Climb that's not Vega. Yep.
I'm coming to get you.
Oh, I'm coming. I'll get him.
I'm coming. That's
Bro,
all
I'll go.
good.
Great game, we got
He
him.
didn't choose you, bro. He didn't choose you.
I hope shit. You're supposed to.
How did they not die?
I don't know. No dig.
Hog right side. I'm walking.
I won't funny
Grand,
game.
No one's here.
Big bomb. I'm jumping on Hog. Hog low.
Good dog. Hard one.
Turning up the heat.
How fast am I on Lucio? Like, actually.
No more venture.
Got him.
I feel like I'm actually playing really good. That was a little flashy.
I'm ready to overclock.
Nah, I'm trying to be like a little more flashy on Lucio. Only in like rank
Right now.
Yeah, because Ghost like was telling me that like
Venture walking.
Ghost like was just telling me that rank like practice, and Loki he's kind of right. There's like a lot of opportunities.
He's bubble. Sorry lifted. Turns out.
Blue one.
Vendetta one. For how much damage are they from the block?
Mid grabber, no.
It feels like a lot of damage in Lucio.
Too team heavy when you play Lucio? Nah, I I used to win a raid by just playing super team
It's like
heavy.
based on damage dealt.
When I started
Like,
flanking, I started leaning more on Lucio, to be honest.
So you actually get rewarded for teaming block now.
I used to be team heavy, and then like you can find opportunities to fuck people.
Wait, I can one bubble was
Here's some mobile.
Yeah. I'm on left though right now.
Yeah, I'm left with you. I'm left with you.
Going left.
I'll walk him right.
Wait, I want to take it.
Yeah, pushing me. You have the whole map.
Lucio, Lucio. Oh.
I'm on fire.
There's another one left here.
I'm old. You're for Bueno, right?
Yeah. Or both TPS left.
Yeah, I'm a little slow.
Also Zarya. No bubble.
Yeah, I'm here.
Right low,
Oh, fuck. I tried to go behind and boost them, bro. And then both their DPS were also flanking. They count, man.
Zarya, try Zarya.
They should, I think in that situation I should have kept walking low-key. That was a good save before, but I don't know. I don't know about that last fight. Their comp's actually pretty good into our comp, I can't lie. I could see Vendetta being good with Venture low-key. It's like, this would probably beat SimCom, Vendetta and Venture. Once Vendetta is like, once people know how to play Vendetta, I feel.
We can just play range at this point, I think.
So let's just come back to that. Let's grab
Yeah,
some.
Yeah, I'm just gonna touch the car. You guys just have fun sniping. What's your right side?
Right.
Let's take left.
One more.
Their DPS are going both sides.
Push it right with you.
They're digging in right. Can we see Venture? Let's see Venture. Venture one. 3-1.
Head up.
I'm walking.
Oh, that beat ult
I'm
charge
just gonna
feels so
push the DPS
good.
when they take us off.
I one just got 20 ult charge off that one amp.
We're on 3.
I can't speed. Make it beat.
Ready to
Make it
overclock.
beat.
You with me?
I'm here.
Hey, come in left side? Yeah, I hear Zarya left. Venture left. All left. We're living. One out of one.
Alright, that was good. Grab rush.
I'm just gonna have
Let's be back.
That's right.
Hey, just come left.
Yeah, we can. Let me walk first. 3, 2, 1. Building now. Venture close. No drill. I'm multing Zarya.
Right on, no.
Man up, man. You see one I cover. I'm backing back right.
Push it.
We cut a little bit.
Maybe.
Like,
Yeah.
coming back.
Give one more.
Let's
I think I can get. I'm gonna get trolled off though. We're on blocking.
Turning. We'll step back.
I not meant to say we're on one. I meant to say we're fucking even, bro. How much more if I save that?
Better mobile. Enter in the mini.
low, low.
The one. Dead.
3-1.
No bell. Keep it up. Okay. I can just point. That's good. That's fine. He's Zarya next, Zarya. I can still Zarya. Double. He's there. Killing Zarya.
By the way, I have Raw of the year.
You see a little bottom left, 1 HP.
I genuinely have Raw of the year for that.
I need help, Vega.
Oh shit.
I actually just got one shot.
Maybe You're the beat now.
Yeah, I swear that character's broken. We got hello, so these grab.
Ready to overclock.
I think just journal first. I'll like beat when I need.
One more.
Yeah, I'm watching something.
Maybe go mid. Like they're all
Yeah, I
left.
wanna walk man.
Yeah, no, they're all left.
Hey, wait, top right is free. I can first point.
It's go time.
Lucio, after one top
Top
there.
right.
They have angle on me. Right here. 50 meters is there. Venture bottom left on me. Okay. Right here, bottom left in the mega. I'm pushing Zarya, guys. Ready, we'll go.
Sorry.
Zar 1 on 1. Zar 1. High point. Hit the top. Vendetta under.
Oh, fuck.
Trying to push him on. Venture on me, 1 HP. Venture an egg on the jump pad. 1.9. Venture. You know.
He's low.
I'm pushing.
Yeah. Nice. Hey, pushing Zarya. No, hold. Blue inside 2, blue inside 1. I saw Lucio, man. One.
We're training these guys in the tournament. Not too soon.
Oh my god, I'm so good at Lucio.
Good job.
I was farming so hard. And play the game.
You're him. 26 and 2?
Yeah, I know. I don't even know what's going on. What? But the worst play of the game ever. I deserved way more for that. Yeah, that was actually good.